How can managers show good human relations? Three components are particularly important, that is leadership, communication, and motivation. Leadership is the ability to influence people to work toward accomplishing a goal. A leader's approach is determined by the demands of the situation, by the needs and personalities of the followers, and by the culture of the organization. The manager who inspires enthusiasm and who works hard alongside employees is usually more effective than the boss who invokes authority and takes all the credit for the group's accomplishments. Managers must learn to distinguish between authority, that is the ability to make someone do something, and leadership, that is the ability to inspire someone to do something. A true leader who inspires people to tap their own potential is usually more likely to foster productivity and profitability. A second component of good organizational human relations is the communication. Through speaking, listening, writing, and reading, managers and lower level employees not only share crucial job related information but also build interpersonal networks and patterns of interaction. Effective business communication should be clear and should avoid subtlety and ambiguity. At the same time, it must incorporate courtesy and respect to help keep lines of communication open and effective. One study found that 90% of the people who report good communication with their bosses are satisfied with their jobs. Now, a third factor contributing to good organizational human relations is motivation. That is the goal of which is to increase worker productivity. Motivation is sometimes defined as getting people to do what you want them to do, but the definition doesn't go far enough. Fear of management or the job loss may motivate people, but it is much less effective than encouraging the employee's own sense of direction and creativity. Consider managers who motivate workers by penalizing them for any deviation from company standards. Now think of the managers who encourage workers to feel pride in doing the job well. In which case would human relations be more productive? In which case would the quality of the work be better? Motivation that successfully activates, directs, and maintains employee behavior leads to worker performance significantly beyond the level that can be required or enforced. In short, effective managers take into account workers' individuals' needs and persuade them that those needs can be satisfied within the organization's framework. A concept closely related to motivation is morale, a person's attitude toward both the job and the organization. Employee perception of the workplace affects morale. Traditionally, managers believed that performance was determined by real conditions such as sufficient resources, competent employees, efficient systems, and clear goals. Today, managers realize that perceived conditions, that is fairness, clarity, appreciation, responsiveness, involvement, so these significantly affect performance as well. And employees work best when they feel positive about perceived conditions. Log on to my website www.asifjmeer.com. I also ask you to visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. Have a wonderful day.